Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat from Grok Trade with some trading results from the Grok Day Trading chat room. And here it was on MARA. Which MARA is Marathon Digital Holdings. It's a Bitcoin play. Doesn't matter. Here's the chart. We were set up here. It had come back here, and it was high basing here under the 200 moving average and its closing line, which is right here at 10.08. And so I'm in here ready to, if it breaks out above that area, I wanted to get in. So I set a trade right here at 10.09, and next one, boom, look at that. It popped right out there, and look at the increase in volume, and I'm in at 10.09 on MARA. I have a 1% attached stop at 9.99, automatic 1%. Here it goes. It's riding up here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now it's starting to base just under this $10.30 area. $10.30 area. Kept tagging it. So now I'm looking at, okay, and then did it pull back here and starting to stop in that area again. So I'm saying that's a major area of resistance. If it breaks out, I want to add to my order. So I set a trade up here at 10.32, and if it were to break out up there, I was going to be in. So sure enough, ready? Boom, there it goes. It broke out right here, and I got in at 10.32 with a second lot size here. I'm now going to, if it continues up, I could make money twice as fast. So I'm been bringing my stop up here all along, but now I'm going to bring a combined stop up here to 10.28. 10.28, I have a combined stop between my two, which means that I'm about 2% in the money on my first trade and about 0.5% still at risk on my second lot trade. So net, I'm positive, but let's see how it goes from there. And it goes up here. Oh, look at that. 1040, 1040. Keeps tagging 1040, 1040. Pulls back, 1040, pulls back a little bit. Okay, so now, and then it starts to rise up here. Now, the market at this point is rising very, very quickly. Went from a negative day to a very positive day. The markets were riding up, but this one was not. It was high basing up here. So this 1040 seemed to be a very, very strong resistance. So I pull my stop up to be just in the money here at 1035. So I'm in the money on both of my lot sizes, but it's just resting up here. So I decided at this point it was 1030 and market, and we were about ready to close down the day trading chat room for the day, and the confident was stalled here at new highs of day. So I went ahead and I took out both lots at $10.38 for would be 2.9% on the first half and 0.6% on the second lot. So a total trade was for 3.5% in 28 minutes. Hoo-ah, I love it when that happens. Now, what happened after that is kind of interesting, is that, look at this. It started to fall, and then it right down to where? Right to where my entry area was, and it was low basing down here at the 1010 area. So I did get out just at the right time. And again, it was more because the one had been stalled up here a long time. And number two, we were getting ready to close the chat room for the day. So I wanted to close out my trades. So that's it. If you want to learn to trade the Grok Trade way, go to groktrade.com and right up here, Training Mentor. We have a mentorship program where we can teach you everything you need to know about trading, the essentials about that. But more importantly, you're your mentors from that point forward to help you apply that to your trading over time, because it's not a slow process, folks. And so for no additional charge, we are going to be your mentors applying that all along there. So you go to Training Mentor here, and there's actually a series of videos you can go through. And it's kind of cool because it's a matrix of them that it's about a 2-minute video. Then Des asks you a question. Are you a day trader, a swing trader? And then based on what your answer is, then it will show you the appropriate video from there. And then it'll ask you another question after 2 minutes, and then it'll show you the appropriate video for that. So there's a whole matrix of videos. So you will end up finding out about what you want to know, and you don't have to listen to everything. So it's really a concise use of your time and get the information that you need to know about, is mentoring going to be the appropriate thing for you? This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that this is not rocket surgery. It's right. It is a systematic approach to trading, not an emotional approach. So from this point forward, trade well, and may your winners